The drop tube that goes from here, from the top down to the bottom of the tank, had disappeared, so we had to replace that, fix that, hook the fuel line up here. Up here on the engine, we drilled and tapped a place for our hose barb for our pulsating fuel pump. So that's hooked up. The customer already had this big fuel filter in line here, so we're just going to leave that. There we go. Now I'm going to hook up the fuel coming from the tank. There we go. That way it's kind of free to move a little bit. I went and grabbed him a new pack of 5.5 nozzles that he will need for this particular unit. So let's get this thing fired up and see how it does. I gotta prime the trying to prime this fuel pump. All right. So let's test it again. Success. Oh no, that's not good. Just broke the fuel. So I had to go get another one. Just my day. Just my day.